Finding the right trail running shoes can feel overwhelming, especially when you want comfort and performance on tough terrain. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1: Columbia Fairbanks Low. The Columbia Men's Fairbanks Low stands out for its blend of style and functionality, priced around $103.42. What caught my attention was its all-around performance and fit, making it ideal for both town and trail. If you want a shoe that offers comfort without sacrificing style, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The breathable mesh upper combined with a suede heel cap keeps your feet comfortable and secure, no matter where you are. The Tech-Lite midsole provides excellent cushioning, which means those long runs won't leave your feet aching. Plus, the Omnigrip outsole is designed for traction on varied surfaces, giving you the confidence to tackle wet or dry trails without slipping. Given that it has over 100 units sold in the past month, people are clearly finding value in this shoe. Now, some people complained about the durability of the mesh, stating it wears out quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, while that could be a concern for heavy-duty users, if you're a casual trail runner or someone who just wants a reliable shoe for weekend hikes, this might not be a deal-breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish shoe that also performs well on different terrains. Skip this one if you're planning to do ultra-distance runs regularly. It may not hold up as well over time. For the price, you're really getting a well-rounded shoe. Now, if you're concerned about durability like some others mentioned, the next option might actually be even better for you. Product number 2: ASICS Gel Venture 10. Next up is the ASICS Men's Gel Venture 10, which is priced around $90.39. This shoe caught my eye because it combines advanced cushioning technology with a rugged design, perfect for serious trail runners. If you want a shoe that keeps your feet comfortable on rocky paths, take a look at this one. The rear foot gel technology improves impact absorption, which is crucial when you're hitting uneven ground. The AMPLIFOAM cushioning enhances comfort, ensuring that your feet feel good even after hours on the trails. Plus, the trail-specific outsole pattern gives you grip on various surfaces, helping you stay stable when the terrain gets tricky. The eco-friendly sock liner also reduces water usage by approximately 33%, which is a nice bonus for environmentally conscious runners. While it hasn't garnered tons of reviews yet, its design speaks to a solid reputation. However, some users pointed out that it runs a bit narrow, especially for those with wider feet. Now, if you've got wider feet or prefer a roomier fit, this could be an issue. But for many, this snug fit provides the stability needed for aggressive trail running. This shoe is perfect for you if you want something that can handle rough terrain while keeping you cushioned. Skip this if you have wider feet, as it may feel restrictive. For the price, it's a fantastic option for trail runners looking to balance comfort and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize protection on tougher trails. Product number 3: Salomon Speedcross Peak. The Salomon Men's Speedcross Peak Trail Running shoes come in at about $142.15, and honestly, it's worth every penny if you're serious about your trail running. What impressed me was its aggressive grip and protective features, making it perfect for those rougher paths. If you're looking for a shoe that shields your feet while providing excellent traction, this is it. The Contagrip rubber outsole provides unmatched traction on mixed terrain, so you're not just relying on luck when navigating slippery or rocky trails. With the SensaFit construction and quick-lay system, you'll find a secure fit that adapts to your foot shape for ultimate comfort. The toe cap and heel cap design offers extra protection from bumps and scrapes, which is reassuring when you're out in the wild. Given its solid sales and rising popularity, it's clear that other runners are finding its advantages too. However, I did see some complaints about the price point being a bit high for casual runners. Here's the thing, if you're only hitting the trails occasionally, it might feel like a splurge. But for dedicated trail enthusiasts, the performance and protection can justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you're frequently running on rugged terrains and need a shoe that offers serious durability and grip. Skip this one if you're a casual runner, as it might feel like overkill for your needs. Overall, this is a strong investment for serious trail runners. Now, if you're looking for something that's more lightweight and still effective, check out the next option. Product number 4, Ultra Experience Wild 2. Up next is the Ultra Men's Experience Wild 2, priced at approximately $118.95. This shoe caught my attention with its unique foot-shaped design that promises comfort on long runs. If you want to go further with a shoe that encourages natural movement, this is worth considering. The highly cushioned midsoles provide the support you need for those high-intensity trail days when you're pushing your limits. The signature foot-shaped toe boxes allow your toes to spread naturally, which is a big plus when you're running for an extended time. While it's still early in its release, the features suggest a promising performance for avid trail runners. Some users mention that the cushioning may be too soft for their liking, impacting stability on technical trails. Here's my take: if you're a fan of plush cushioning and a more relaxed run, this won't hinder your experience. But if you prefer a firmer feel underfoot, you might find it lacking. This is perfect for you if you enjoy long runs and want a shoe that adapts to your natural foot shape. Skip this if you prefer a firmer feel, as it might not meet your expectations. For the price, it's a solid option for comfort-oriented runners. Now, if you're looking for something budget-friendly without sacrificing too much, let's check out the next one. Product number 5, WHITIN Zero Drop Shoes. Finally, we have the WHITIN Men's Zero Drop Running Shoes, priced at a budget-friendly $56.87. This shoe stood out to me due to its unique design aimed at allowing natural movement. If you're after an affordable option that promotes a healthy running form, you may want to give this one a look. The wide toe box lets your toes spread and function naturally, which is key for comfort during longer runs. The soft mesh upper provides breathability, while the EVA midsole offers lightweight cushioning for shock absorption. Plus, the durable rubber outsole gives you reliable grip across various terrains without breaking the bank. However, some users reported that the fit can feel a bit loose for those who prefer a snugger feel. Now, if you're used to a tighter shoe, this might take some getting used to. But for many, the comfort of the wide toe box is a major selling point. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable trail running shoe that promotes natural foot movement. Skip this one if you prefer a more fitted shoe, as it could feel loose. For the price, it offers incredible value without compromising too much on performance. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of trail running shoes tailored to various needs. The Columbia Fairbanks Low for style and comfort, ASICS Gel Venture 10 for cushioning, Salomon Speedcross Peak for serious protection, Ultra Experience Wild 2 for a natural fit, and WHITIN Zero Drop shoes for budget-conscious runners. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Salomon Speedcross Peak because it combines traction and protection in a way that's hard to beat on tough trails. On the flip side, I'd avoid the ASICS Gel Venture 10 if you have wider feet, as it might not fit comfortably. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.